Viewers all over the world, thank you very much for tuning in. You have met Apostle ZD Nethononda. We are coming to you live today on the 13th of May. We want to continue with the word we started on Sunday, which is under the theme that says, God is the only solution to all our problems. Today, I want us to continue from the book of 1 Samuel, chapter number 1. We are going to read verse number 9 and verse number 10. So Hannah rose up after they had eaten in Shiloh, and after they had drank. Now Eli the priest sat upon a seat by a post of the temple of the Lord. And she was in bitterness of soul, and prayed unto the Lord, and wept sore. We'll also read verse 13. It says, Now Hannah, she spoke in her heart, only her lips moved, but her voice was not heard. Therefore Eli thought she had been drunk. Verse number 17. Then Eli answered and said, Go in peace, and the God of Israel, may the God of Israel grant thee the petition that you have asked of him. Friends, this afternoon, I want us to talk about the topic that says, your problem serves a purpose. We are reading about Hannah, who was married to Elkanah. The Bible says Elkanah also married a second wife who was Peninnah. But the Bible shows us the difference between these two women. The Bible says Hannah, her womb was closed by the Lord. But Peninnah was giving birth. She was having children. I want you to understand that the Bible records that it was God who closed the womb of Hannah. It was not Peninnah. It was not Elkanah. It was not people. But it was God himself who closed the womb of Hannah. What am I saying to you? Many a times when our things are closed, when we seem not to find a way out, maybe in the challenges we are faced with, maybe with the problems that we are faced with daily, we think it is people who are closing our doors. We think it's people who are closing our way out. But listen to me, the Bible says it was God who closed her womb. Number one, God closed a womb for a purpose. If God didn't close a womb, we wouldn't be reading about Samuel today. Remember, when God closed the womb of Hannah, it had nothing to do with Hannah. It had nothing to do with Elkanah or Peninnah, or the challenges that she was faced with, those challenges which were brought to her by Peninnah. The Bible says God had a bigger picture. You have heard me correctly. In each and every problem we pass through, in each and every challenge that we are faced with each and every day of our lives, God always has a bigger picture. What was the bigger picture in this story? God wanted to bring about a man after his own heart. That was Samuel, who was called by God to come and replace Eli as the priest in Shiloh. Because the Bible records that the children of Eli, they did what was evil before the Lord. So God decided to call another man who will come and replace Eli. But in order for God to achieve all this, number one, he had to allow the problems to come and torment Hannah. I'm saying to you,